My blood brother. Not from another mother, but that's my blood brother. We about to knock this out. That's football Walter Payton. Heisman Trophy, but he ain't get it. Putting this apartment together. Got a few things to do. Vanity. Got some fire.
Alright. It's over this one. Alright.
Yeah, when you press it down, it'll press down on you.
Okay.
A lot of people put the ring on the door.
Yeah, that's what I saw.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
right there. That's it.
Oh, good thing we got. I could saw them down.
Taking this one out. Got another one going in. Let's go, baby.
You got it?
Yeah.
You need to
Hey, jump this, Ricky. It's my brother.
You need it.
We not the brothers, but we the brothers. You know what I mean? They do real estate, we do this stuff too. As you can see, I'm the comedian of the group.
You gonna take this light up?
No, I ain't. I'm only gonna turn it on yet. See, he like that brother that just second guess everything. He see me working on this, he gonna turn the light off. That's why he played football. He had anger management problems. I need a screw. I need the gun.
Yeah, I know. See?
See, I do the manual labor. He come with the power too.
What's that, Phillips?
Yeah. See, I did track and field, so we ain't have to do all this hard stuff. So it's like passing the baton. I'm gonna pass this Phillip to him, and when I pass it to him, no, pass it that way, right? When I pass to him, he gonna come with the power too.
He's gonna do all the work and I'm gonna show him how to do it.
Let me get out of his way so he can work his tools.
Alright, hold that side.
It's too heavy. Yeah, we gonna recycle this. This gonna go on my DIY, how to redo this vanity to make it look like something good.
$10.
All right, now we gotta do this light thing here. See what's up with this. Got a few things. We gotta investigate how to take this bad boy down.
This cover comes off. Yeah.
Good for
You know that's still on, right?
Oh, turn it on.
This light gonna go off too, though.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Got wire cutters.
Yeah.
Playing with live stuff is not always fun, but you gotta do what you gotta do.
See?
Yep.
power off?
Don't turn power off. Do we turn power off when we're working? No. You get a little jolt. You get a little jolt. You get a little jolt. Where you think that dance came from?
Give me all this.
That came from the electrician. He got jolt. And that's where that dance came from. Screwdriver. You want a primer? Flathead. How do you come to a work site with no tools? Because you got only that one. I need this one.
This is flathead.
He tell me how I come to a work site with no tools. Man, I'm at your spot. You're supposed to have tools.
There you go.
Right? When you come to somebody's spot that call himself a carpenter, ask me where's my tools. Where are your tools at? Right? Where's his tools?
You want the drill?
Wasn't that funny? And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I always cover one when you. Ladies and gentlemen, it's always best to cover one. It's the black one. That's the hot one. So if you got to pull it through this hole, at least you got the hot one covered. Don't trust the light switch to say that it's done, and you get that little move again because you got electrocuted. You end up doing this move again because you got electrocuted.
I could paint around that. Oh yeah.
The perfectionist.
You know what? I'll get all that later. Okay. You ready for the
He's the
light?
kind of guy that will see this hole and will have to redo the whole wall because of one hole.
That's right.
Yo,
You ready?
he got the baby one. He got the baby
Should have got the
one.
3 bulbs ones. Let's see how it looks before you put it up there. Hold on. Oh yeah, that's gonna be cool. What you think about the light?
No, I can't help you with that.
Why not?
Because I don't decorate, I install.
Is that gonna be alright to put on here? I want to see how you do it just in case I need to take it off to fix this wall. So I don't need to turn off the power.
So you can hear who's the experienced person over here. He want to watch me. Can you just guys hear him earlier saying something different? Ladies and gentlemen, you heard it here first.
I have to start about something.
What?
That light is not matching.
Did you hear that? The light is not matching.
It's not matching that one in the ceiling.
You let me know what you're gonna do, and I'll be ready.
Give me 2 seconds. I need to be alone with.
Alright, get along with the light, man. Just
Be alone with the light.
The problem is, it don't match the ceiling light, so that's why we in this holding pattern
Okay.
until he have a moment with the light.
I know I saw a brown light to go with
Decide what we're gonna do.
Let's see. Brown light.
This light is not going up. It don't take a rocket science to figure out that he just changed his mind because they don't match. So tune in next week when we have another light fixture that may go up. But this one don't match that one,
No.
so it's not going up.
I could paint that trimming up there. Same color as the ceiling.
I don't like you figured it out.
Bam! Dun 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 dun.
Look like we're back in motion, ladies and
Got
gentlemen.
it.
Look
Got
like
it.
this light is going up after
Got
I
it.
butchered the last screw. That's why I don't decorate, because, you know, it's a light. It don't match, you make it work. All that, it don't match this, it don't match that. Okay. What's the most important thing that you can see that is light? So, okay, it don't match. You didn't know that when you bought it? It didn't match? When did you discover it didn't match? I don't know. Just seemed like a lot to me. I don't know. All I can say is, it's a light. And what is the light supposed to do? Give you light. But sometimes they give you these parts in the box and you're not really able to get it snug on there when you put the nut on there. So I always like to test it. Because if I can't, then I'll take these screws out, we'll lose this nut, and I'll just screw this in here this way. At least the light will be flush up against the wall versus that. Or you take the bracket back down and you put a shorter screw on here and you can still get it done that way. So now you take this, hook on my ground wire, and we're good to go. Loosen up the ground screw. Hang the ground wire on there for support. You don't have to hold the light in place. Put that on there. That's why I love the ground wire, because it also acts as a second hand for you while you got to do some other work. Always hook up your ground wire first, then I like to hook up my neutral wire. This is the time where amateurs would have been to turn the light off because they don't want to get electrocuted. You lean with it, rock with it, lean with it, they got shot. So they end up leaning with it, rocking with it, but we're gonna keep it going. Nothing wrong with a little juice. Make sure they on there tight, snug as a bug. That on there, that on there, and let's test out the light to see if.
Oh, that look good.
What I did. Oh, now he said it look good. Did you hear that? Did you hear him say that? Get in the camera and say that. Let them hear you say that.
It looks fantastic.
I don't curse, but this
like that.
Now he like it, but it don't match. But he like it.
It ain't bad though.
Now it ain't bad.
It look good.
Time is money. So how much time did we waste when he said give him a minute with the light, and I had to wait here while he stepped in the other room and talk to the fixture about should you go in here or not?
I like it.
Should I take you back?
I like it. I'm worried about this toilet though. I don't want to put nothing behind here.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen,
I want this tight.
I need your comments. He believes that you should tighten this tank. Would you tell him you don't? There's 2 screws holding this tank up. If you tighten them too tight, you get the wrong person sitting on this toilet and they lean back, you're gonna crack the tank and water's gonna be everywhere. Please leave your comments and convince my brother that this is something you don't want to do. All you gotta do is put something behind here to prop it up, so you're not putting the weight of this tank on a person or on those screws. You're putting the weight of the tank on this bracket that's going to support it on this back wall that would take the tension off the 2 screws that's holding all this water in here. And he's convinced that you should tighten this up real tight. Ladies and gentlemen, when you tell him it will crack, it will crack.
Okay.
You see, when I raise my voice, now he believes me.
I'll make a custom shelving around that support.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Would you tell them thank you? Can I get some claps and some shouts out for that comment?
So this has to come flush up against the toilet?
Flush up against the toilet, like my 2 fingers.
Okay.
Flush up against the wall so it don't move.
Okay, so I gotta measure that space and get some.
I think he got it. By George, I think he's got it.
I got it.
Alright, toilet's done. Building's done. Light fixtures in, even though he didn't like it because it didn't match that one.
You gonna make it work? Looks good.
Brothers. Okay, so we're back here at this light again. Now he wants to take it down because he wants to paint. So I told you we weren't gonna stay up long because, you know, it all started with that. So now we're about to take this bad fella loose. So,
Okay.
this time I'm making him take it loose.
I know this much.
You can let that hang. Let it hang. It ain't going nowhere. The ground wire ain't gonna hold it. Now, take off the black one first. Unscrew that.
This?
No, unscrew it from there.
Uh-huh.
Take that yellow all the way off. Just keep twisting and put that on that. Put that on that black tip. Do the same with the white one. Now the white one should have no power because that's your ground. I mean that's your neutral. So your black and your red is the one that's got power in it. So keep going till it come off. Hold the other wire. You ain't gonna get electrocuted. There it is. Now put that tip back on there.
Turn to the right.
Turn to the right. That's good.
Uh-huh.
It ain't going nowhere. Now take your Phillips and take that ground wire off.
Uh-huh.
That's it. Now pull the wire off. That's it.
What's up, it's your boy Cody here, Chi-Town. You know we dance with it, skate with it. Now let's step with it. Let's go. Let's step with it. Cross it up. Let's step with it. Reverse it back. Let's step with it. Shuffle to the side and bounce with it. Gon' get low one time. Let's step with it. Take it up. Let's step with it. Take it back. Let's step with it. Shuffle to the side and bounce with it. Bounce with it low one time. Oh yeah, come on. Reverse it back. Shuffle to the side. Come on, come let's bounce. Yeah. Take it up. Take it back. Let's go. Shuffle to the side. Come on, let's bounce. Cross it up. Reverse it back. Come on. Shuffle to the side. Come on, let's bounce. Take it low now. Take it up. Take it back. Come on. Come on, let's bounce. Let's bounce. Let's step with it. Cross it up. Let's step with it. Reverse it back. Let's step with it. Shuffle to the side and bounce with it. Gon' get low one time. Let's step with it. Take it up. Let's step with it. Take it back. Let's step with it. Shuffle to the side and bounce with it low one time.